In daily life, many people tend to perceive and process issues as more complex than they actually are. This tendency may stem from perfectionism, fear of making mistakes, overthinking, or an overload of information. As a result, decision-making becomes more difficult, productivity decreases, and stress levels rise. The human mind naturally seeks to analyze and examine details. If this tendency is not properly managed, it can lead to unnecessary magnification of issues. One of the main reasons behind this habit is the desire for complete control over situations. People often try to predict all possible outcomes, which leads to excessive analysis and indecisiveness. Another contributing factor is perfectionism. Individuals who always seek the best and most flawless solution often spend too much time scrutinizing details, ultimately struggling to reach a concrete decision. This not only delays progress, but also leads to mental exhaustion. One of the most effective ways to simplify issues is to focus on the core of the problem. Many seemingly complex problems actually have a simple and clear foundation. By eliminating unnecessary factors and prioritizing the essential aspects, the mental burden can be reduced, and a clearer path for decision-making can be established. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps is another effective method to prevent complexity. When a problem is divided into smaller and more structured tasks, the chances of finding a solution increase. This approach not only reduces anxiety, but also makes the process more systematic. Setting a time limit for decision-making is also an effective strategy. When there is unlimited time to analyze options, the likelihood of getting caught in an endless cycle of overthinking increases. By defining a specific time frame for making decisions, the mind is encouraged to focus on the most important factors and avoid wasting time. In many cases, seeking advice from others can help simplify matters. People often become trapped in their own perspectives and fail to view the issue from different angles. Receiving feedback from friends, colleagues, or advisors can offer a fresh perspective and prevent unnecessary exaggeration of problems. Reducing reliance on excessive information is another key approach. The modern world provides extensive access to information, but this abundance can lead to confusion. In many cases, the best decisions can be made based on the information available at the moment. Limiting research and focusing on credible sources can help minimize complexity. Overcomplicating things is a major obstacle to progress and effective decision-making. By focusing on the core issue, breaking tasks into smaller parts, setting time limits, seeking feedback from others, and reducing dependency on excessive information, this problem can be overcome. Ultimately, simplicity not only enhances productivity, but also improves mental clarity and decision-making abilities.